This is my Zig Detail water brush. I've had it for over 10 years and I absolutely love it. I love how fine and detailed that point is. You just screw off the water reservoir and squeeze it under a tap to fill it. The nice thing about having water right in the handle is you don't need to have a water cup on your surface in order to possibly knock over. I'm clumsy, so I would knock it over. When you're watercoloring with it, because of the nice fine tip, you can get into all sorts of fine areas. And to clean it off for a new color, you just squeeze it onto some paper towel, wipe off the tip, and you're good to go for your next color. You can use it for any water-soluble inks. I regularly use them with Distress Reinkers, but I also use them to watercolor with Perfect Pearls, which has a nice shimmer to it. I love mine so much. I have 3 teenage girls that are also arty, and one of them borrowed mine at one point, and I was so paranoid about not getting it back that I went and bought a second one so that I didn't have to worry about it. That's how much I love this brush.